Hey everyone, what's going on? Happy Easter! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my Birchboxes. It's kind of like the IPSY subscription, except this one is Birchbox. There's a couple differences. Obviously, they come in boxes, not bags. And Birchbox is about $3 more than IPSY. So before I canceled my IPSY subscription, I actually signed up for Birchbox for like 3 months. And I also got a promo code for double the fun. So I thought I'd be getting double the fun for April's boxes, but it actually ended up being March. So I got 2 March boxes and then 1 April one. Alright, let's open my first box. Birchbox tip number 171. The daily facial massage promotes circulation and skin elasticity. So I would say maybe this is the free one. Well, I got another one of these. So the shade of this is actually called Rendezvous, not Double Date. Double Date just means it's one of those things that you can use both for lip and cheek. Alright, so this one is a leave-in conditioner. It's an oil and it's from Davina's. So this next one is a face cream from Cosmeti. Oh, that's cute. So this one is from Floss Beauty. It's actually a lip gloss. And I think this one is called Yul. Y-U-L. It's actually one of these kind of lip glosses. I thought you had to remove the cap and it was just gonna like squeeze out of the tube, but it actually has the little applicator. Another product from Davina's, which is the same company as this one. So shampoo, conditioner, and then the leave-in treatment. This one is from Hero Cosmetics. This is the Mighty Patch Invisible Plus. It's one of those little like pimple stickers. You put it on right away and wait 6 minutes and your pimple should go from red to white. I actually always wanted to try these, so when I get a pimple, I'll see if this actually works. Birchbox tip number 200. Look for lip products with peppermint oil for a plumping effect. Okay, so for the April box, let's go with this one. So this one is from NATURELAB Tokyo. It is a blowout lotion. So it pretty much protects your hair. It smells like fresh shampoo. Alright. So the shade this comes in is called Synergy. Alright, next we have is this BB cream from Marcelle. And from Sunday Riley, we have this Good Genes all-in-one lactic acid treatment. So it exfoliates the dull surface of the skin for clarity, radiance, and younger looking skin. Alright, and the last product is from Beauty Protector. It's pretty much, you know, what it is. So this is an argan oil that you drop into your hair Oh, okay. I don't know how to get drops from these because it's just like a bottle. I thought it'd come with like a dropper. But yeah, so for April, I really just got like these 5 samples. Alright guys, that was it. Thanks for tuning into this video. These are my first 3 Birchboxes. I have 2 more coming for May and June, and I'll let you guys know how those boxes go. If you like my content, like this video, subscribe, drop a comment down below what you think. I personally think I like IPSY still. I still want to give Birchbox a try for the next 2 months, so we'll see how that goes. Link down below on how to get Birchboxes. And if you've tried any other boxes other than IPSY and Birchbox, let me know in the comments below and if you want me to try it out. Other than that, thanks you guys for tuning in and catch you guys on the next one. Bye!